Welcome back to my channel. You want ribs like you've been outside on the grill? Well, let me show you how I do it in my oven. First, I like to remove the membrane off my ribs. I take a paper towel and I dry them off real good. And I do it while my ribs are cold. It removes better while they're cold. So I take me a cake knife and you find you a little corner and you want to take your paper towel and you want to pull with the paper towel. You get a better grip with the paper towel. See, and you just take it. You can use your finger or you can use the little butter knife and you just pull. And you just pull. Just pull. Just pull. Just pull. Until it all comes off. After washing my ribs, I like to pat them dry and spread a little butter on them before I put seasoning on it. And this is Kerrygold garlic butter that I'm putting on here. You can use whatever kind you like. It tastes the same with regular butter. Sometimes I use regular butter. Sometimes I use Country Crock. Country Crock is good also. Okay, and I just take my seasoning and I just dump it on here and get that all patted in. Once you get them all seasoned on the front and the back, you're going to wrap them real tight. I double wrap mine and wrap them real tight and get them ready for the. Once you get them double wrapped, place them in the oven on 375 for 2 hours. After 2 hours, take your ribs out of the oven, put some barbecue sauce on, put them back in the oven, but this time leave them unwrapped for about 30 minutes. After 20 minutes out of the oven, you got this. Look at that.